Image Makeovers by Melanie. Today we are going to be doing a image transfer onto this piece of furniture. So it's a little bit different than decoupaging. We're going to transfer. So what I did was I painted a very rough coat of white paint. This is YSL's Antique Villa, and that's what I did. So I put a very rough coat on here. Now we're going to get our image on here. So what I'm going to do, I kind of fitted it in here and took my nail and just scraped it down so that I kind of know where it is. So I'm just going to tear kind of roughly. So I want it, don't want any crisp edges. So I'm going to go ahead and tear this off. And I'm going to go ahead and tear the other side. Let's go this way and tear this off. So now we have our flower, and it's going to go on this way. So different than decoupaging, we want to put our medium on this side, not this side, okay? On here, not here. So we're going to get so the product that I'm using today to do this is Debbie's Design Diaries. This is liquid patina. This is a transfer, decoupage, and a sealer. So all in one, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good shake. Figure out where this was gonna be again. It's gonna be right about there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a coat of this on here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint the front of this, not the white side. So let's... I used my hands to smooth out any bubbles that may be under there. Okay, so we did the transfer on this side, applied the transfer medium, the liquid patina by DIY on the color side, and now it's time to reveal it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a misting bottle and give it a little squirt, get the paper wet, and you can already see the image back there. So with a towel, I'm just going to start rubbing this to reveal the image underneath. So what we want to do is we want to get this white paper off the back. We want to leave our image on there. So you want to wet it. You want to go kind of slow in some areas. Make sure you know how much pressure to apply. You don't want to pull off your image. Rubbing back the white side of the paper takes patience, so make sure you have some. Okay, now when that dries completely, I'm gonna go back with a light sanding pad, sand down my edges, and then I'm ready to paint to blend over it. And that is an easy way to do a transfer using DIY's Liquid Patina. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.